Okay, so i-Chiefs ukuze ihambe kula 16 kumele yenze njani? Kumele iwine the last 2 games.
Yeah.
Because somebody idlale ne-Al Masry, idlale nani? NeZamalek. Then that is 13 points.
Yeah.
Okay, so if
win. Yeah.
Mayowa win, assuming bonke laba i-Al Masry neZamalek izoyishaya ilokhunja iZesco. So that means let's say i-Chiefs ibashayile bobabili iZamalek ne-Al Masry, then bese bayawina kwiZesco. So ilokhunja i-Al Masry izoba na 10 points, iZamalek ibe na 8 points. Then sebe na 5 games sebeselelwe igame eyodwa kumele beyidlale. So makunjalo noma ngawina bani i-Chiefs izoqualify
ngoba sino 13 points.
Ngoba sino 13 points. So if i-Chiefs iyawadraw lama games lawo Al Masry neZamalek, it means izoba na 11 points. So mayiba na 11 points, i-Al Masry na izoba na 11 points with the game in hand. iZamalek izoba na 9 points with the game in hand. So bese bayadlala ke le game bobabili lapho ukuze bebe na 6 points bonke. So i-Al Masry na 11, iZamalek ina 9. So that means akumele iZamalek iwine leyo game le ukuze i-Chiefs idlulele, because i-Chiefs iZamalek uma iwina